As much as I love the Eagles, they've quickly become a YouTuber's nightmare, mainly because they're probably the most notable A-list musical act out there who strictly enforces the musical copyright rules. Which means whenever somebody like me uses their material, I get a copyright strike. Now this is a big deal amongst the YouTube community, so much so that my good friend and big supporter of the channel, Rick Beato, has done some dedicated videos on the subject of musical copyright. And hell, he's even testified at a Senate hearing on the matter. All that aside, despite the probability that this video is probably going to get a copyright strike, I'm going to play this song to you anyway and show you how to play it because I just love it. It's my favourite Christmas song and I just want to share it with you. So today, despite the ramifications that might come from this, I'm going to play it and I'm going to post it for you guys to enjoy. Let's do it. This sad, sad news. Oh, what a Christmas to have the blues. My baby's gone, I have no friends to wish me greetings once again. Choirs will be singing Silent Night, or Christmas carols by candlelight. Please come home for Christmas. Please come home for Christmas. If not for Christmas, then New Year's night. Friends and relations sing salutations. Pure as the stars shine above. But this is Christmas, yeah, Christmas time, my dear. It's time to be with the ones you love. So won't you tell me you'll never more roam? Christmas and New Year will find you home. There'll be no more sorrow, no grief and pain, and I'll be happy once again. And one thing before we get underway, just remember I'm a left-hand guitar player playing on a right-hand strum guitar, so my chord finger patterns will be upside down to most of you. Don't let that worry you, just follow the chord patterns on the screen there. You've got the same challenges as me, you just get these in the right place. Right, let's start with the first verse and particularly the opening phrase, which is my favourite chord, almost my favourite chord, the G suspended. Right, the song is sung in the key of C. I'm playing it on open chords here. In the playthrough I have a capo on 3 just to suit my voice. Well, I think it does. But for the lesson I'm going to show you on open strings. All right, so key of C, but it starts on the G, G suspended. I love that sound. So instead of a normal G, it's a G suspended. Bells will be ringing straight to the C. This C7 straight to an F. Then this great transition to an F minor. Back to the C, quick to the E, then to an A minor. To an F and do 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 do, hold it there, up to G, and you repeat that phrase over again for the second part of the verse. What a cool opening for the song. So that's how you play the verses. Right, let's get into the second part of the song. Is it a chorus? Is it a bridge? I'm actually not sure what we call it, but this is how it goes. So zoning in on the root chord C, but it goes friends and straight to the F, friends and relations to an F minor, back to the C, sure as the stars to a C7, to back to the F, F minor, and then this cool bit, G, 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 G sharp, G, G suspended. Let's do that again just quickly. Friends and relations, sing salutations. Sure as the stars shine a C7. But this is Christmas, F minor, my dear. It's time to be with the one you love. So won't you back to the verse? Something like that. That's pretty much the essence of the song. Now let's get into the strumology and some of that arpeggio picking. Hey folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire. Okay, I love the strum to the song and the basic rhythm of the song. And the strum is, if I block the strings, it's what I call a down, chicka, down, 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 down. All right, let's do this. Down, chicka, down, 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 down. Down is obviously down, and a chicka is a quick down up, right? This is a chicka. Chicka, 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 chicka. Down, chicka, down, 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 down. Down, chicka, down, 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 down. Let's work in the chords. Down, down. So that's the basic strum to the song. Of course, that lends itself to beautiful arpeggio picking if you want to weave that into this tune as well, like I do through my playthrough, right? So bit of strum arpeggio combo. And relations, sing salutations, pure as the stars to the C7. Just have fun with this. Down, chicka, down, 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 and down. Picky-dee-doo, oh, won't you tell me? Down, chicka, down, 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 and so on like that. What a cool song. Right, what sort of vocal ability do you need to sing the song? Well, we're using my patented Patreon vocal ability rating analyzer. I reckon this song is possibly shower singer, maybe busker level, somewhere in between. And speaking of Patreon, if you've got a moment, support the small YouTube channels like mine. Really hard to break through in this YouTube world. Go to my Patreon page, have a look around, and if you like what you see, then become part of the Campfire Guitar Hero band. Hey folks, thanks for watching. If you like these sort of short and sharp lessons, no fancy pants here, just the basics, then be sure to check out this video down here. It's my most popular video on the channel, one of my very first. I don't know why it's the most popular, it just is, but definitely check it out.